Welcome to Auto Nation Carriage, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Camry, one of the most popular mid-sized sedans on the market. The Camry has long been known for its reliability, comfort, and efficient performance, and the 2025 model continues to build on this legacy with some impressive upgrades and features. The 2025 Toyota Camry is offered in multiple trims, including the LE, SE, XLE, and XSE, each catering to different preferences in style, comfort, and performance. One of the major updates for 2025 is its continued commitment to advanced safety and modern tech. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite of features comes standard across all trims, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. This makes the Camry an even safer option for families and individuals alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Camry offers two engine choices. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 203 horsepower, providing a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those who desire more power, there is also a 3.5-liter V6 engine available on higher trims, which delivers 301 horsepower. This engine offers a more dynamic driving experience with faster acceleration and increased towing capacity. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient gear shifts, while the optional all-wheel drive on certain trims makes the Camry a more versatile option in various weather conditions. Inside, the 2025 Camry continues Toyota's focus on high-quality materials and user-friendly technology. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with available leather seating, a panoramic moonroof, and dual-zone automatic climate control. The centerpiece of the interior is a large 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. The system is intuitive and easy to use, providing seamless integration with your smartphone for hands-free control and media streaming. Higher trims also offer an upgraded 10-inch head-up display for even greater convenience. Fuel efficiency remains one of the standout features of the 2025 Camry. The four-cylinder engine achieves an impressive 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway, while the V6 engine offers 22 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. For eco-conscious drivers, there's also a hybrid version of the Camry, which improves on those numbers, offering up to 51 mpg in the city and 53 mpg on the highway. The 2025 Toyota Camry delivers a refined driving experience, combining responsive handling with a comfortable ride. The suspension is tuned to provide a smooth ride while still offering a sporty edge, especially with the sportier XSE trim. The steering is precise, and the vehicle offers excellent road manners, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and longer trips. If you're considering a mid-sized sedan that balances performance, safety, technology, and efficiency, the 2025 Toyota Camry is certainly worth a closer look. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Auto Nation Carriage, for more reviews, updates, and automotive news.